My father had cancer. The doctors told us he'd be dead in 6 months. But after 6 years of pampering and caring for him, we wondered how long this was going to last. And not that we wanted him to leave us, of course, but did the doctor know what he was talking about? But then his condition started getting worse, in the last 2 weeks especially, and I just saw him in so much pain. I didn't know what to do. After seeing him in so much pain, after these 2 weeks, one night I even prayed for his death to come, just to save him, just to make his pain go away. And the next day, he was dead. After all that time, the pain was over. Just like that.